college has been here since 1933, and the machining program provides area manufacturing businesses with qualified machinists who are ready to start working in the industry. Currently, we have 4 instructors in our machining program. 2 are full-time day instructors, 2 are evening instructors in our part-time program.
I've been here over 2 years now. The passion for teaching is really why I'm here. Well, just the idea of making things. As a kid, I always loved to play with toy cars, taking things apart and put them together. And when I walked in the lab and I saw all the machines that were there, and it caught my interest right away. The fact that I would be able to make things or build things.
So the great thing about this program is that while we're going through it, we're building up our resume and we're building up a dialogue with a lot of local businesses that want to come in and work with us, and they really want to see us succeed. And that's what's really great with this program, because this last semester, you've already got that resume built up. You are already communicating with these companies that have been working with us at school already.
Like a lot of us here, as a little kid, I was always taking things apart, seeing how they were made. I grew up with all sorts of books about how is it made, how does this work, how does that work. So eventually it just seemed like a natural fit to come this way.
So I came to Palm Beach State College and I went to one of their open houses and did a little bit of an orientation, and found that just in my day-to-day coming and going, I ran into other machinists. And so I would talk to them about their jobs, their career paths, where they started, where they're ending up. And I was sold. Came in here, within the first week I said, yeah, this is what I was gonna do. This is what I wanted to do for the rest of my life.
I had a relative of mine who previously graduated when this program was established. And he took me into his job place. I walked around the shop and I liked what I saw, and then I went, I did more research on, what's going on in this field. And then he suggested me to this program here at Palm Beach State. And it's convenient to me. I live 15 minutes away from here.
They do 6 months of the manual machines, the lathes and mills, and then we generally start CAD-CAM. And I show them if they can get a drawing with the CAD-CAM points, with good points on the drawing, it's very, very easy to plug those points into the control, use cutter compensation or G71 codes, and the control will do the rest. You put it in with the right command and the Haas will do it. It's just very, very user-friendly.
Learning on the Haas CNC was one thing I actually found very easy to use. We do have some simulations that run for things like the standard foot controller, and I see the way Haas has tried to take that and elevate the level of ease of use for your operators, for your programmers, for anyone that needs to operate the machine.
The controls are easy to, read, and everything's there on the screen from your work off session. Just everything's just available for you. It makes your job easier and whatnot.
They made life a lot easier for the students, very easy to learn the control and do more things with the control.
2 years ago, we applied for the first time to the Gene Haas Foundation, and we received the $20,000 scholarship grant, and we helped serve over 10 students with the money, and then we reapplied this year and received the $20,000 as well.
We have a big check from 2015, I believe, and I keep showing it to them and letting them know that there are people that are thinking about them, that wants them to learn this, and that's why I expect the best of them. We have a pretty rigorous program, and we want them to have the basic skill. We've been getting good feedback from manufacturers in the area because they've hired, before our students finish with this program, they're already talking to us about hiring them. And right now we have 8 students that are graduating, and they have been talking with us since a month ago about who they would want to hire. and filling job application. Now each one of them right now has a pretty much guaranteed that they would be working in a place, and some of them has Haas machine and some of them don't. And now they are learning about the controllers that our students are learning from over here, and they ask us about that as well.
One company last year hired 4 students. They had 4 guys retiring. They took all 4 of them. They took them there, and they're doing really well there. They like them. We've got another company in West Palm Beach that has 8 or 10 of their students, and in fact, he called today. They're looking for 2, 3, 4 more. So they like what we're teaching.
One proposal I did receive has actually decided that they're going to possibly be making a new position just for students that are graduating from these trade programs.
Students who want a job have a job. It's over 90% that we have placement in area industry for machining.